Do you feel tired even when you do nothing all day?
Do you open your phone and suddenly 1 hour is gone?
Do you think, I am busy, but I don't feel happy?
Or maybe your life feels full, but your heart feels empty.
Today, we talk about a powerful idea.
Less is more. Yes, a simple life can give you more peace, more focus, and more confidence, even in English.
And don't worry, this is not a lecture. This is just two friends talking with you.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Practice Podcast. I'm Noah.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is special. It is not grammar, it is not vocabulary.
It is life, simple life, calm life, happy life.
Because sometimes we try to do too much.
We watch many videos, read many books, start many goals.
But we feel confused, tired, and slow.
So today we will talk about how a simple life can make your English better and your mind calmer.
And yes, we will practice real English sentences together.
You will listen, speak, imagine, and feel more confident.
Ready?
Let's start with a small question.
Are you ready to live a simpler life? Yes, the simple one. Let's practice a sentence.
Simple life, clear mind.
Repeat after us.
Simple life, clear mind.
So when life is simple, your mind is calm.
And when your mind is calm, speaking English is easier.
Because stress blocks your words.
Imagine you walk into a room. Someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
If your mind is busy, you freeze.
But if your mind is simple and calm, you say, "My name is Ollie. I am learning English. I like simple living."
That is powerful and simple.
Here is your first daily phrase. I like a simple life.
Repeat after us.
I like a simple life.
But here is the mistake most learners make.
They think more study equals more success.
But too much study can mean less focus.
Sometimes less study but daily practice is more powerful.
Sarah, do you study English for many hours?
No, I study for short time but every day.
So you choose simple, small practice.
Yes, because small steps make big progress.
Let's practice a new sentence.
Small steps every day.
Breakdown.
Small steps means little actions.
Small steps means little actions.
This is the magic rule. Small steps every day.
Repeat. I practice a little every day. What is one small step you can do today? Speak one sentence? Listen for 5 minutes? Many learners think, I must use big, difficult words.
But strong speakers use simple words clearly.
For example, instead of I am extremely exhausted, you can say, I am very tired.
Simple, but clear.
Repeat. I use simple English. Repeat. Simple words are powerful.
Dear listener, you don't need perfect English. You need honest English.
You don't need long sentences. You need clear sentences.
And clear is beautiful.
Simple life also means saying no.
Yes, saying no to too many tasks, too many videos, too many goals.
Because when you do everything, you finish nothing.
Let's learn a strong sentence. I choose what matters.
Choose means select.
What matters means what is important.
So a simple life means I choose what matters. Repeat. I focus on one thing.
Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your study table.
Is it full of books, notes, pens, apps, videos?
Now imagine only one notebook, one pen, one lesson.
Feels lighter, right?
Today's challenge. Remove one thing from your study routine.
Less noise, more focus. When life is simple, speaking becomes natural.
Let's do a calm conversation example.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I had a simple day.
What did you do?
I studied English for 15 minutes and took a walk.
That sounds peaceful.
I had a simple day.
But here is another mistake.
People think simple life is boring.
But simple life is not boring. It is peaceful.
Pressure says, do more, hurry, faster.
Peace says, slow down, one step.
Let's practice. I go step by step.
Repeat. I live step by step.
Another problem, comparison.
You see someone fluent and you feel small.
But remember, you only need to be better than yesterday.
Simple rule. Compare with your past, not with others.
I am improving every day. I like a simple life.
Small steps every day. Now you, speak with us. Are you feeling calmer now?
Are you feeling less pressure? I like a simple life. Small steps every day. I focus on one thing. I had a simple day. I go step by step. I use simple English. Simple words are powerful. Repeat them daily and feel the magic.
Dear friend, mistakes are normal.
A simple life accepts mistakes.
Because growth is not perfect. Growth is real.
You don't need to speak fast. You need to speak calmly.
Here is a 15-minute daily simple plan.
3 minutes, listen to simple English. 5 minutes, repeat sentences aloud. 5 minutes, speak about your simple day. 2 minutes, smile and say, I am improving. That's it. That's it. You are not late. You are not slow. You are learning step by step.
And that is enough.
Before we
Go, we have one question for you.
What is one thing you will remove from your life to make it simpler?
Write your answer in the comments. We really want to read it.
And if this episode made you feel calm and confident,
Subscribe to the channel so we can grow together.
like the video, share it with a friend who feels stressed.
And remember our final line.
Less is more, and simple is powerful. See you in the next episode, dear friend.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep your life simple.